the store. We're trying to get light bulbs for my bathroom because oh, my mother's spilling tea. We're trying to like renovate my bathroom, you know, because like we're bougie, but we're struggling a bit. Currently we're like, I actually don't know where we are. I think we're either at Home Depot or no, not Big Lots, or off. What am I saying? Home Depot or Lowe's? See those lights? Those pretty ones, colorful ones? I want those. Those are only 25 bucks. We finna go, but like, those lighting probably look like a psychopath. We're past people. Let go. Ooh.
Hi, I'm Google Home, a voice-activated speaker with a Google Assistant built in. It's great to meet you.
I'm Google Home.
When I'm connected to the...
This one's cool. Let me give you a little overview. That's my mooder. This over here is my future kitchen. Like, I can like wash my dishes, you know. Here's like my like island. Look, this is my mooder. She hates me. We finna go look for the paints, you know. Trying to paint the bathroom. We're gonna find some good cooler. But like, I went to Big Lots and I got some stuff. I can do a haul. I don't know. I feel like doing a vlog. I should probably do more vlogs. Vlogs are fun. Ooh, look, fridges. Because I'm cool. No, that was horrible. Ooh, what are these? Look. It's rose. I don't know what I'm saying. I wish I could just like flip it over, you know? Not that easy. Ooh, we're at the paints. Yes, queen. Does it? Living like a lady. Finna do some painting. Eat. I want to look at the paints. Blah, 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 blah. It's like for my room. I'm gonna do kind of like a light pink. This one's pretty. Like this one and like kind of like a gray. So like these two. Rare gray and Danny. Oh my god, that's perfect. That's my name, Mommy. This one is chat room. Oh, I'm not. These two. So sedate gray and Danny's white. Now I want to choose the bathroom color. I'm trying to find a good cooler. See, like, my sister wanted kind of like a turquoise. So I'm thinking maybe this one. Aim teal. I'm gonna show this to my mother. Okay, so they decided to choose the color without me. Guess I'll just put this away. That's what I got for right now. Oh man. They have like bright colors over here. I feel like people are staring at me. And are you living for my chin though? See, like this one, that is pretty. It's like a magenta. I painted my room once, and let's just say I was young, naive maybe. The color choices were not the best. This gray is more brown than expected. Ooh, I like that tone. I just like don't like that color. I want it to be more like blue tone for some reason. Okay, here, I'll show you. These two. Watermark and Danny's Delight. Oh my god. That scared the crap out of me. Just like casually like modeling for you. Oh. We're getting water-based paint because we ain't trying to die. Oh, wood putty. What's this? File, nail holes, covers, other minor. I don't know what that is. Wood filler. Putty thingy. Oh, glaze. Lime wash glaze. What is this? Creates gently lived in effect. Oh, right. This is makes it look cool. Hey. Ma! Ew, what is this? Huh, which one is prettier? I kind of like this one. That one's pretty. But like, why would you want anything to look like that? Oh, it's for your pavement. For your like garage. This one's pretty for a garage. Although this one too. These two are pretty. You can do one of these. Here we have wood. Mahogany, Sedona red. This one's pretty. Isn't there like a rosewood? Rosewood is cool. Oh, there's cherry, fruitwood. Dang, I know rosewood. Got some brushes. These look like the ones men use to shave, you know? Like the little like thingies that they dip like the stuff. This ankle is not good. See, this is why I can't vlog. Like everyone's like, so like we're like going somewhere and like we don't know where we're going. And I'm like, bleh. We just trying to like find our veins. That's literally right. But like, if I'm like this, like, oh shit, like I look like an idiot. So yeah, like right now we're like at like Lowe's or something. Oh yeah, we're at Lowe's. We're like at Lowe's and like trying to buy veins because like we're rich and like we're trying to like renovate our bathroom. I'm just kidding. I am rich. Okay, I need to like not be ugly. Maybe I just like keep it here so you can't see my chin. I'm gonna do a little tumbler thing. Yes. Ooh, I can do an outfit today. My mom was gonna leave me, so like first wind this off the shoulder striped shirt from Packside. Oh god. Oh my god, I look like an idiot! They're gone, whatever. Continuing. And then I have my Vans jacket. Got some silver hoops in my necklace. And like, I'm wearing some lashes because like, again, I'm like so bougie. I'm saying. Pants. Wearing these mom jeans from Paxson and my Converse. And that's it. There was like a cute guy and like, I was like, looking like an idiot trying to show you my outfit, so like you better be thankful. Oh my god. It'd be funny if like I watch this over and you can't even hear what I'm saying. There's an old man over there and I'm pretty sure he thinks I'm a psychopath, but it's true. This thing that like you put in your paint and it's supposed to make it smell. We're gonna test it out today, ladies. I saw him again. Oh my god. Oh my god, he was right behind me. Y'all, it was truly iconic. The guy that I said it was cute, he was at the register. He must have like known I was gonna be there, so like he's like, yo, let me be there. Yeah, so like basically we're married. Okay, so like we need to go to, so we were at Lowe's right now. Now we're gonna go to Home Depot. Home Depot, bitch. Home Depot. And we have to buy one more thing. We have to make it before 10 because it closes at 10 and it's 9:17 right now. So I'll update you later. Okay, we're at Home Depot. Depot. Whatever you want to call it. Whatever. Got me a chocolate. We're going in, hoes. Boy, we is back home. I had to ratchet down because we're painting the bathroom and I'm not trying to ruin my expensive jeans. But anyways, I'm going to show you what I got. First, this is my paint thingy. It smells really good. So we're going to see if it works. If not, whatever. It was $1, but I don't know, I thought it was cool. I got a hairspray. You know, good old Tresemme, you know. It's more expensive, but it's good and it works for me. And then I got this body scrub. This is the one I usually use, but I ran out and I haven't gotten one in a while, so I just got that. Then I got my nail polish remover. Don't know if this is gonna work, but you know, whatever. Then I got my top coat, and then I got my St. Ives black head clearing. This is like, I don't know, it just like has a bunch of stuff that makes it sound like it will work because it's oil-free salicylic acid acne medication, because salicylic acid is good for like oily skin and like pores and stuff like that, and it's a green tea scrub. Green tea is also good for the skin, and it clears blackheads and unclogs pores. And since I'm oily, my pores are very clogged. And it's paraben-free and dermatologist tested. So, this sounds pretty great, you know. And it's oil-free and non-comedogenic, which is great. So, and then I also got a mascara. This is CoverGirl So Ashy. I'm actually going to try it right now. Ew! These look so spidery because I was like wearing falsies and I took them off. Now they just look kind of weird, but it works pretty good. That's it for now. We're gonna start painting. Oh, I can give you like a before of the bathroom. Okay, this is the bathroom. These are the walls. We cleaned up there because it was so dirty. And yeah, this bathroom. Pit. And we got a new light up there. And we got a new shower thingy. Got a new toilet seat. Got a new little thingy of that. This is broken. It's okay. Well, OTD. Wearing this shirt. It's gross and cringy. Wearing these pants. Beautiful. And my Nike sandals here. Up in the little new. And yeah, I don't know.
A few moments later.
So, we're like almost done. Like, everything is pretty much done being painted. Right now I'm just chilling, you know, my hands. I'm covered. I'm gonna insert montage of pictures right now.
Everybody get your motherfucking roll on. I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let that thing loose, girl, in so long. You been inside, know you like to lay low. I've been peeping what you bringing to the table. Working hard, girl, everything paid for. First, last phone bill, car, no cable. With your phone out, gotta hit them ain't.
So like the furniture's being built. That's the new light. That's my mother. I drew all over her back. And I'm covered in paint. Especially my toes. And there's a mess everywhere. My dog, she's just tired. It's like almost 1 in the morning. And like, yeah. I was too lazy to film during the process. But like, you know, I was jamming to my music. Hi, baby. Hi, my baby. Who's my cutesy baby? Hey guys, so it's the next day, and I'm really just done. Like, I need to take a shower. I need to clean my room. But yeah, I'm gonna clean my room right now, and then I think I'm gonna take a shower. Cause why not, you know? So I think I'm gonna put a montage in here. Good enough.
Gonna fade, let me charge my phone. Roll away on the wave, yeah, we hit the road. Cause tonight we gon' let go. For a week or so, we got all the shit we made. We're on 10.
So, yeah, I ended up getting ready. We're gonna go buy some stuff, maybe go shopping.
One eternity later.
So, I forgot to vlog. A lot has happened. We're back to where we started though, because we're at Lowe's right now. Home Depot. Dang it, man. This accent of mine, man. Not really an accent, I just can't speak. We're trying to get a dimmer for the bathroom. We got like everything. I can't be alone. People are following me. Anyways, I went to the mall and I got my stuff because I ordered things on Forever 21. And I got here, so I'll do a little haul. And I'm gonna go get food now because I'm hungry. Okay guys, so just got back. We had our burger. I forgot to film, sorry. Strawberry banana lollipop. And now I'm gonna show you what I got. So, got my sandals, I'm gonna try them on. I saw in some posts that like jelly sandals were the new trend for this summer, and like I had already bought the sandals, so I'm like trendsetter. Yes. Oh, they're so cute. Look at them. I feel so cute. Okay, back to everything else. I'm gonna show you everything I got. I have like 0 socks. I mean, not really, but like, yes, really. Okay, that's done. They're clean, so I'm not gonna wash them. I'll wash them when I use them. Duh. Look at these. They're so cute. I love socks, okay? If you don't know already, my favorite like scent is just like coconuts and anything tropical. Like, I love tropical stuff, you know? It makes me happy. And so I got these, like, yes please. I got these cutesy pies. Well, bruh, yes. Cute little sunflowers. Don't know why the bottom isn't covered in them. What up with that malfunction? Whatever. Now these are just like plain adorable. Got these cute little peaches. They're so cute. And then I'm so pumped about these. These are cute little piggies. Ah! And the front is fluffy. They're so cute. Oh my God. And then I got a crop top for my costume for Tolo. We got a scoop. Oh, this is so cute. I thought it was gonna be crop top, but it's not. I love fringe stuff now. Like, oh, it's so cute. This is my crop top. I'm not gonna try it on. It's not a crop top. It's a normal top. I'm just used to always getting crop tops. This is different for me. But yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna go decorate the bathroom.